everyone, my name is Naman. Today in this video only use English, don't use Hindi. So you can see guys, my brother is wash the dishes and this is making lunch process for this tomato and onion, chili and garlic for ingredients and making desi pulao and I will make desi pulao. So my brother is wash rice.
My name is Kumal.
My brother is wash rice. So wait for and first of all my brother is this wash the dishes. So after that he is wash rice. Okay. I did accept the challenge because English is the most common language. I want to learn English because my English is a very beginner level and A1. So CRPF level, my English level A1. So I want to reach level 2. Level 2 easily and but my English is a very beginner and A1. So my brother is wash the rice. After that I make lunch curry and my elder brother is going to barber. My brother has to go in barber. So almost people is of mentality is poor person is not spoke English easily, but I am middle class family belong and spoke English easily but difficult, but I can do it. So I want to learn English because English is the common language for foreign and is help me communication and talk to each other person. Okay, I can if you want to go your abroad, if you want to go your abroad and so when you talking each other and talking each other foreign and so use English, but almost people is not spoke English easily and so is difficult. I spoke English, therefore it is my first step, my practice for my advanced level, reach to advanced level and on this video please follow me and so first of all guys, I go to make for spicy rice and is all in ingredients. First of all I take oil and this is bay leaf and so wait for, you can see guys, it is cumin seed and fenugreek seeds, salted, coriander, turmeric and red chili and garam masala. You can see guys, first of all I take cumin seeds. So you can see guys, it is asafoetida, goldi hing, sorry asafoetida. Okay, it is a take mint and mint process yani ki, sorry guys, my brother is make like chutney, green chutney for Tari. So I take garlic, next I take chili, and next onion, mix well only for 2 minutes. This washing rice. You can see guys, my brother will be make a chutney and the green chutney so spicy and with desi pulao. And this is just looking like a wow and so good flavor. So guys, I want to say something. If you want to speak English easily, just your one thinking, you can do it. and you've been reading all life, and one thinking, so I can do it. This one step for your English, and if you want to speak English easily and beginner to advance. Okay. For English first step, you can see guys, listening is the most powerful step for English, and every day, and every day 10 to 15 minutes you like a podcast, English animation video, and abroading video, US interview, you can see guys. Okay. And your English is almost correct, and good vocabulary, pronunciation, like grammar, and you're good, you can good up on your uh, English skills. Next step is reading, like novels, books, anything books, you can read, and your good pronunciation, vocabulary is your strong again. And third step, you go front of mirror and talk to each other. Okay. And anything you talk to each other, uh, so you that speak loudly and talk to each other, is lock your room, speak loudly, so I can do it, these those. And you can see guys, my desi plow is almost done, but you can see guys, I am sweating a lot of, because the weather is so very hot. You can see guys, wait guys, you can see those are books, but I have not read any of them. So guys, my brother is here, and my plow is almost done. Next I go to for bath. So okay. So guys, sorry, next to meet you after bathing. So finally guys, I have finally taken a bath, and it's my today outfit. Please tell me on my comment. And my lunch also making process complete, so I can see guys. Oh bhai, this just looking like a wow, and with green chutney, and dono both of our combination is looking. Just I now continue my study, is my history notes. You can see guys, it's my history notes. Now I am eat lunch with my family, so wait for after lunch. So guys, I finally had my meals, and guys, I want to say something. So you, I want to say something. I spoke English, I can do it. You, whatever you do work, you can do it. Doesn't matter what people is saying, what people is thinking. You keep doing on your career, what have to do, and you do. So in this evening, I go to my part-time work for 8 hours, and my work is vegetable vendor. I am vegetable vendor, and you can see guys, lot of carrot, lot of mushroom, and so I sell, and lot of vegetables. I have lot of vegetables I sell on the customer. So I meet you now at night. So finally I back from work, and is my family and sleeping now. I going to sleeping too. It's already 1 o'clock. You can see guys. Sorry, 2 o'clock, and you can see guys. and now I go to sleeping too. So I meet you tomorrow. So tomorrow morning. So good night, all of you guys. Now time is 9:10. I woke up in the morning, and then I went to go school tuition, then to go school. I come go home. Hello everyone. Now time is 9:10. I woke up in the morning. I went to go tuition, and then I go to school, and after that I coming home from school, and did I little work with my father, and now time is now 9:10. I cook Maggie. You can see guys, span inside the Maggie, so just looking like a wow. So you can see guys, only 5 to 8 minutes and ready my Maggie and eating enjoy, and you can see guys, night time 9:10. Today I eat Maggie and tea with tea and with toast, and very nice combo, and eat enjoy. I will eat enjoy with my brother
received on phone pay.
Enjoy. So hello guys, this is my Maggie is done. I eat Maggie with tea with
₹20 received on
toast,
phone pay.
and I enjoy. I hope you did like my vlogs. So now I wrap up the vlogs. See you, miss you. Wait guys, this vlog I use English, I don't use Hindi. Please give me a feedback on my comment.